Mr. Ramosipili, you indicated that you are a operational team leader, correct?
That's correct, my lord.
Ngishilo ke uma ngibuza uyena ke Mr. Ramsipile ukuthi ke ngumholi ke noma ke lokho kubizwa ngokuthi ke i-team leader nethimba noma iqembu engiliholayo.
What does that entail?
My lord, the duties will entail I examine, I confirm the casework, I review a case file to ascertain that what is written in the performers or is reflected correctly in the affidavit.
Engikwenza ukuthi ke ngibheke ke umsebenzi lowo ke ukuthi lokho akukhona ke kuma forms noma ke okulindele ukuthi kwenziwe ke kuma form ethu esiwasebenzisayo uma kubhalwa ke statement esifungelwe affidavit kwenziwe ngendlela.
It also includes my confirmation for cases of members in my group.
Futhi ke nokuqinisekisa ke amaqala ke amalunga ke noma labo abakwithimba lami.
It can also include assistance with a broken firearm or an object or such things, my lord.
Lokho ke kungafaka phakathi ke nokunala mhlambe kunesibhamu khona ke esiphukile khona nezinto nje ezifana nalezo.
It also includes mentorship of some of the trainees in the group, my lord.
Futhi nokuthi ke ngiqeqesheke abanye ke balabo ke abasa qeqeshwa ke noma ke abase ama trainees kulona ke ithimba lelo.
In cross-examination by Mr. Ramosipili, you also indicated that the CMS method as well as the pattern matching method are not mutually exclusive. Do you confirm that?
That's correct, my lord.
Ngishilo ke futhi ke ukuthi ke i-CMS lena kanye nayo ke i-pattern matching lena ke akusona ke izinto noma ke akusona ke izinto ezingathi ke zikhishelwe ecaleni zombili.
And then in cross-examination by Advocate Minisi, you were taken through a hypothesis, correct?
That's correct, my lord.
Kuqiniswa ukuthi ke Advocate Minisi ke khona ke lesisibonelo noma lokho akushilo ezama ke ukuthi ke aveze noma ke enze isibonelo.
And then did you have an opportunity to see the chart that was being painted to you?
No, my lord.
Ingabe ke lokho ke bezama ukuthi akuvezeke kwena ke into oye wayithola noma wayibona yini? Cha.
And then do you know if how the said striations were counted?
No, my lord.
Ingabe uyazi nokuthi ke lawo striations lawo abalwa kanjani? Cha.
Okay. Furthermore, you also indicated during your evidence in chief that there were sufficient agreement relating to class as well as individual characteristics. Do you confirm that?
That's correct, my lord.
Ushilo ke nakufakazi bakho ukuthi wathola ke wena ukuthi ke kwakhona ke ukuvumelana okwanele uma ngaba usuhlanganisa ubheka ke kuyiqiniso lokho.
On the 22nd of July 2020, when Colonel Mangena approached you for an opinion, were you aware of any other analyst that was approached at a stage?
No, my lord.
Ngabe nge-22 zika July 2020 uma ngabe uKenel Mangena eza kuwe wawunolwazi yini lomunye umcwaningi ekwayiwa kuyena? Cha.
It was also put to you by Advocate Minisi that Colonel Mangena only relied on CMS method to come to his finding. I want to refer you to the record of the 6th of September 2014 on
20?
No, objection, never came from me. Never said only relied. I said Mangena used the CMS.
only used. Okay. Only used CMS. I want to refer you to the 6th of September 2014 on page 64, line 9.
I can't recall saying only used. I said Mr. Mangena used the CMS. So, supposition, or what is now being put to this witness as something that could have been said by me is not accurate. Requesting the state to quote me accurately.
You're quoting him.
I was making my best attempt
just listen.
to quote.
Are you quoting Mangena or are you quoting the advocate here?
I wanted to quote a little bit from the advocate and quote what Mangena said in response to that.
Okay, let's hear what you want to say.
Okay. On page 54, 6 September 2014.
2014.
Yes. You can just read where they highlighted, just line 9.
2024, not 2014.
Sorry, 2024, my apologies.
Do you want me to read it?
Yeah, Mangena, where I highlighted with red.
Mr. Mangena, my lord, the quality in both striation markings and pattern markings. They qualify, excuse me.
Lana ke kufundwa ke nge-6 zika September wona-ke lo nyaka uma uKenneth Mangena ethula ubufakazi bakhe ke ukuthi zombili ke ukuthi ke ziyatholakala noma ziyaqualify ke kuma striations markings kanye futhi ne pattern markings.
And then the next paragraph 10, line 10.
Just line 10.
Yes.
Markings and pattern markings, my lord.
Lana ke ku-10 ke ukhuluma ke ngama markings kanye nawo ke ama pattern marking.
Okay. And then on the 6th of September 2024, on page 17, line 10. Just read. Or we can start on line 9, just above where I highlighted.
Method did you use? Okay, and then which method did you use or did you apply?
Lana ke kufunde ngokuthi ke manje yipi ke indlela owayisebenzisa noma owasebenza ngayo.
And then the response after.
There are in some instances where you apply on both of them.
Phenduleke uKenneth Mangena athi ke kwezinye ke indawo ke la ukusebenzisa kokubili.
Thank you. And then in your line of duty, is there any specific number of opinions which an analyst can seek from colleagues?
No, my lord.
Umsebenzini owenzayo ke ingaba mhlambe khona yini inani ke noma ke inamba ethize la uza kwenu noma labantu angaya kubona ayofuna uvo cha.
And then can you confirm the last time if indeed this was not a borderline case?
In my opinion, my lord, this is not a borderline case.
Ngokwami ke ukusho ke kwakusilona ke icala leli ke ongathi ke lokuqophelo ke elithize noma ke libhekwe ngendlela ethize.
That's all, my lord.
Yeah, ma'am, you said, just for clarification, you say you have some persons under your group, trainees.
That's correct, my lord.
Yebo kweqiniso bakhona abantu ke ama trainees abasebenza bakhona.
How many are they under your group?
Approximately 3 or 4.
About 3 noma about 4.
When did you start being promoted to have trainees, which you also mentor under your group?
My lord, as a group leader, essentially I'm the acting group leader in the position of my lieutenant colonel. I started mentoring as a group leader in January 2022.
Alike ngoJanuary ka-2022 la khona ke manje kuthiwa ke angibambeleke noma ngibambe ukuthi ke ngibe yilowo ohola i-team.
By the way, you said you started training for ballistics in Pretoria. When?
In the year 2000, March, my lord.
2000?
March 2000, my lord.
March.
Yes, that's correct, my lord.
NgoMarch ka-2000 uma ke ngiqeqeshwa ke
Full time?
Pretoria.
Full time, my lord.
It's about how many years now?
It's 24, my lord.
24 years.
Minyaka ke manje ewu-24 leyo.
That case you mentioned in 2006, you call it what's the...
The Jeppystown massacre.
Was it in 2006?
I think so, my lord. I'm not 100% sure.
Yeah, fine. Just-
Kusengenzeka ukuthi leqala bengikhuluma ngalo Jeppystown kwalingo-2006.
So in other words, all I want to ascertain is, as early as 2006, you were attending court.
That's correct, my lord.
Wango-2006 ngase ngihamba inkantolo.
Okay, any questions arising? No questions. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, my lord.
Yes, Mr.
All this next state witness, Captain Malisela Eliakim Mtini,